Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best ketone meter is probably one of the most important tools for anyone following a ketogenic diet or looking to monitor their ketone levels. It allows you to accurately measure the amount of ketones in your blood, providing valuable insights into your body's metabolic state. This information can help you optimize your diet, track your progress, and ensure you're achieving your desired level of ketosis for optimal health and performance. Number 5. KETO-MOJO GK Plus Testing Kit. This GK Plus meter provides quick and precise readings for both ketones and glucose. It's a trusted tool used by healthcare professionals and in numerous clinical trials. It helps you understand how different factors affect your blood sugar and ketone levels. The kit includes everything you need to start testing. It comes with the GK Plus Bluetooth meter, test strips, lancets, a lancing device, control solutions, batteries, and a user manual. You'll be ready to go right away. You can automatically sync your results to the free MyMojo Health app. This allows you to track trends, monitor your glucose ketone index, and share data with your healthcare provider. The app also integrates with other health platforms. The strips are individually foil wrapped to ensure sterility and optimal performance. The meter automatically detects the strip type, minimizing errors and ensuring reliable readings. This design enhances the accuracy of the results. The product is backed by a lifetime warranty and US-based support. It's FDA cleared for home use and comes with clear instructions and helpful resources. You'll also have access to educational materials to support your lifestyle. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, making it super convenient. The app integration allows you to track your progress effortlessly. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution with ongoing support and resources, this is the one for you. What people say. Very easy to use and accurate. Setup is incredibly simple. Download the free app, remove the plastic battery strip, batteries included, and then sync time, date, etc. from the app to the testing hardware. The instructions are very clear, and there are also a number of excellent instructional videos on KETO-MOJO's YouTube page, at KETO-MOJO7147. The app works flawlessly, and is as well designed as the physical product. Number 4. KetoSens Blood Ketone Monitoring System Set. This KetoSens monitor is perfect for those following a ketogenic diet. It helps you accurately manage your blood ketone levels. It's a great tool to stay on track. With just a tiny blood sample, this device gives you results in seconds. It's much faster than the competition, saving you valuable time. This makes monitoring your levels quick and easy. The meter has a large, easy-to-read display. It also features a strip ejector for convenience. Plus, it doesn't require code chips, so you don't have to wait for calibration. This product has been rigorously tested and proven to be highly accurate. It's a best-in-class ketone meter you can rely on. You can trust its performance. The kit includes a meter, test strips, lancets, a lancing device, batteries, instructions, a logbook, and a carrying case. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This meter gives you results in seconds, saving you valuable time. The large display makes it easy to read under any condition. If you value speed and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The meter is easy to use. The test strips are easy to insert. The meter is accurate. Number 3. KetoBM Ketone Meter Kit. Are you following a keto diet? This kit is designed for you. It includes everything you need to monitor your ketone levels quickly and easily. The KetoBM kit comes with a ketone meter, lancing device, lancets, and test strips. It's a complete package, ready to use right out of the box. Get consistent and accurate data in seconds. The large digital display makes it easy to read your results, helping you stay on track with your diet. Testing is virtually painless, requiring only a tiny blood sample. This minimizes discomfort and reduces the chance of wasted strips. This kit is incredibly easy to use, with no calibration needed. It's designed to be simple and straightforward, so you can focus on your health. This product was created by people who understand the keto lifestyle. They made it affordable and easy to use, specifically for keto dieters. What we like. This kit is designed by keto dieters, ensuring it meets your specific needs. It provides accurate results quickly and is incredibly easy to use. If you're new to keto or want a hassle-free experience, you'll love it. What people say. The meter is easy to use. The test strips are easy to insert. The meter gives accurate readings. Number 2. KetoTrak Blood Ketone Testing Kit. Are you following a ketogenic diet? This kit can help you optimize your results. It provides an easy way to monitor your blood ketone levels. The meter accurately reads your blood ketone levels. This allows you to stay on track with your diet and achieve your goals. This kit is designed to be user-friendly. It's simple to use, so you can quickly and easily test your ketone levels. The screen is easy to read, providing clear results. You can quickly understand your ketone levels and make informed decisions. Need help? The product offers 24/7 customer service. They are always available to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This meter is designed to be accurate and easy to use. The screen is easy to read, and you can get help anytime. If you are looking for a simple and reliable meter, this is the one for you. What people say. The meter is easy to use. The test strips work great. The meter is accurate. Number 1. KETO-MOJO GK Plus Combo Pack. These test strips are designed for the KETO-MOJO GK Plus Bluetooth meter. They are not compatible with other models. Make sure this is the right product for your meter before you buy it. Each strip provides fast, accurate results. The patented quick fill tip makes it easy to use. Healthcare professionals and researchers trust it worldwide. Each strip is sealed to maintain freshness and accuracy. This reduces contamination risk. Always check the expiration date and store them properly. This combo pack includes 60 glucose and 60 ketone strips. They are individually wrapped. Please note that lancets are not included in the package. KETO-MOJO offers real-person support and expert guidance. You can access free videos and guides. We are here to support your health journey. What we like. This combo pack gives you both glucose and ketone strips, offering comprehensive testing. The strips are individually wrapped for freshness and accuracy. If you already have the GK Plus meter and need a reliable supply of strips, this is the perfect option. What people say. These strips work very well. They are easy to use and consistently accurate with the KETO-MOJO reader. I have been using this product for a while and I love it that I can check both glucose and ketosis, and all the reading goes to an app you can easily track your results. This product measures blood glucose and ketones very accurately. The test strips are simple and easy to use with the KETO-MOJO monitoring system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.